Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to disable Find My iPhone iOS 26. So if you want to disable your Find My on your iPhone iOS 26, then how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some seconds, and after that you have to simply turn it off again. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply go to settings, and in settings you have to go to general. So in general you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone, and here you have to click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, what you have to do next is you have to simply look for the Find My apps here. So here you have to simply look for that. So here you can simply click on Find My, and here you can simply check whether your notifications are turned on or not. So if you want to turn it off, then you have to go to the settings and you have to check which of the devices are connected to your iPhone, and after that you have to simply scroll up, and you will find the option of share my location. And after that you can also turn off allow friend request. So you can simply click on customize my notification, and after that you can simply check whether which kind of notification you want, and you have to simply turn it off the notification. And after the turning off the notification, you have to simply go back and you have to turn off the location sharing on Find My, and after that the Find My will be disabled from your iPhone iOS 26. So hope you have liked this video, and to get more videos like this you can subscribe our channel.